Hello everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today, it's actually Christmas season, so I've been making some Christmas recipes this month. So today, I'm going to show you how I made a peppermint milkshake. Really tasty. Let's get started. Also, get your butter or nature and put in 1 cup of milk. Half a cup of vanilla yogurt. One or two giant scoops of vanilla ice cream. About a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. And put in half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of peppermint extract. And a half a dozen drops of green food coloring. Put the lid on and blend it until it's nice and smooth and quite creamy. It's part optional, but if you want, you can put some cream over it. Put a straw in it, and there you go. Yum. Well, I forgot to try my recipe for a peppermint milkshake, as you can see. Oh man, the coverage is perfect. Give or take. That is really refreshing. Perfect for a holiday party, for sure. So, thank you guys so much for watching the new recipe. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you next Monday for a new recipe. Peace out.